The next one is all trigonometric ratios with theta equal to 90 degrees. Okay, theta exactly 90 degrees. Okay, as usual, you take one ray like A, B is the ray, and making an angle like a line segment AC with angle theta. Here theta is acute angle, but what you want? Theta becomes 90. That means you want to write the angle becomes a right angle. How it is possible? Okay, the height from C to ray equal to BC. Okay, now the height is radius. The height is radius. Okay, now the height is raising like this. Automatically the angle also the angle made by increases. Okay, next B1 like this, and angle once again raises. The height is raises. Now the angle also raises. For example, first one 30, 50, 60, 70, 80 up to 90. When the angle reaches AC, okay, now this B is coincide with A. That means you get the angle at A equal to 90 degrees. Now this AC made up of an angle with A equal to 90 degrees. This B is coincide with A. So that means here AC equal to A. Okay, AC equal to BC. Here AC and BC both are same. BC, the length is increases, automatically the angle made by the A also increases like 30, 40, 50. Now another time 60. Okay, like that. After some more time, the B is coincide with A, you get the angle at A equal to how much? 90 degrees. In which time B reaches A, automatically AB are coincide to each other, and here AC and the length of BC both are equal. Okay, now here the length of AB decreases. Now it becomes zero. Okay, if theta equal to 90 degrees, the angle at A equal to 90 degrees, the length of AB, here AB, B, up to B reaches up to A, the length is becomes zero. The length of AB becomes zero because A and B are coincide to each other. And another one is here AC equal to BC. Okay, so here this BC coincide with the AC. So AC equal to BC. Both are equal. Let us take R. Now we have to find out one by one values. What are they? Sine 90 degrees. Sine 90. That means sine A. What is sine A? Sine A means what? Sine A equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. That means AB by AC. Here AB equal to how much? 0. Okay, opposite side. What is the opposite side? BC. Now opposite side of theta is BC by hypotenuse AC. So BC by AC, that means R by R. R by R equal to how much? 1. Okay, that means sine 90 equal to 1. What is the reciprocal of sine 90? That is cosecant 90. Cosecant 90 equal to, write the reciprocal of 1. 1 by 1 is also 1. That means sine 91, cosecant 90 also 1. Now second one, cos A. Cos A means what? cos A means, okay, so cos A equal to adjacent side AB by hypotenuse AC. But when the angle A becomes 90 degrees, the angle A becomes 90 degrees, the value of AB equal to how much? 0, 0, and AC equal to R. That means 0 by R equal to how much? 0. When the angle A equal to 90 degrees, the length of AB, already explained it, the length of AB is decreases. No angle is there, no length is there. Okay, so here AB equal to 0, so you substitute 0 by AC equal to R. Now you write secant 90, you write the reciprocal of cos, that means R by 0. R by 0 means what? Infinite, that means undefined. And third one is tan A. Tan A. Tan A means opposite side BC by adjacent side AB. When the angle becomes 90 degrees, when the angle becomes 90 degrees, the value of BC is equal to the value of AC, that equal to what? R. R by R. R by R equal to 1. So when it reaches 90 degrees, okay, here AC and BC, this length of AC and BC both are equal. That means here the A is coincide with B. Now cot 90. Cot 90 means what? The reciprocal of tan 90 is known as cos 90. Okay, so cot 90 equal to reciprocal of 1, 1 by 1, that equal to 1. So these are the all trigonometric ratios with angle 90 degrees. Okay, if you want to find out the angle A equal to 90 degrees, the length is increases. Okay, automatically if you get 90 degrees at A, automatically this B coincide with A and BC coincide with AC. The value of AB becomes 0. Okay, so now we have to discuss one by one. Sin 90. Sin 90 equal to how much? 1. And cos 90, cosecant 90, its reciprocal, that is also 1. And cos 90 equal to how much? 0. Its reciprocal is secant 90. How much? Infinite. Okay, and tan 90 equal to 1. Cot 90 means that its reciprocal, that is also 1. So these are the values of all trigonometric ratios with angle 90 degrees. Okay, now we have to read each and every angle, specific angle of all these trigonometric ratios.